Succeeding with flying colors, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very colorful and vivid expression, with flying colors. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and master another piece of the English language. The phrase, with flying colors, is an idiom that means to accomplish something with a great or an outstanding level of success. When someone passes a test, completes a challenge, or achieves a victory, with flying colors, it implies that they did not just succeed. They did so exceptionally well. This expression is often used to describe achievements in academics, professional life, and personal challenges. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them much easier to remember. The phrase, with flying colors, has a nautical background. Historically, ships returning from a victorious battle would sail back to port with their flags flying high and proud as a sign of their triumph. These colorful flags were visible signs of their success, hence the term, with flying colors. Today, we use this phrase metaphorically to signify any type of significant success or victory. To integrate this idiom into your English, let's look at a few examples. After months of hard work, Maria passed her final exams with flying colors. The team won the championship with flying colors, outperforming all other competitors. He was nervous about his job interview, but he managed to succeed with flying colors. These examples illustrate how you can use the phrase in various contexts, be it academic achievements, competitions, or overcoming personal challenges. Now that you're familiar with the phrase, with flying colors, try creating your own sentences. Use it in your next English conversation, in writing, or think about times in your life when you've succeeded with flying colors. Practice will help cement this idiom in your memory and expand your English language skills. Congratulations! You've just learned what it means to do something with flying colors, and the fascinating history behind this expression. We hope this video has added a splash of color to your English language learning journey. Remember, learning idioms is not only about expanding your vocabulary but also about embracing the culture and history that come with the language. Thank you for watching, and we hope you pass all your language learning goals with flying colors.